Hey guys, I am so excited because today I'm going to be unboxing the Lush Halloween 2023 collection, which I'm so excited for. Halloween and Christmas time are my absolute favourite times in the year, so I'm a sucker for all of these collections, and yeah, I'm just obsessed. So here's the box. I am missing a few things. By the time I bought it, a fair bit of it had sold out. So I'm going to go in store to see if I can get the rest of it. It was just a couple of bath bombs, but anyway, I got majority of it. So, and I have both of the lip scrubs. I bought them in store, and this is the stuff that I bought online. So I'll show you those soon as well. Let's get into it. This box smells so good. It's been sitting in my studio for a couple of days. So good. Okay, I love how you have to you can't see everything, you have to dip your hand in there because it's so exciting. It's like a little surprise. Okay, so I've got my little invoice thingy here. Okay, so first thing in here we have is the little pumpkin. I always get that so mixed up because it's spelled like PUNKIN and then pumpkin. So but anyway, smells amazing. It says uplifting orange squash. Super cute. So this one is a bath bomb. Next we have the Bubble Laguzzi. I think I'm saying that wrong, but he's a little cutie pie. He is glowing berry foam and he is a little vampire and he is the cutest thing in the whole entire world and I love him so much. He smells so good. Yum. I love him. Next we have Jason's mummy. Oh, this one smells so good. This one says wrap yourself in a glow-in-the-dark bath. Maybe the water glows in the dark or something. Anyway, this one smells absolutely incredible. It's so cute. It's a little mummy and I am obsessed. Cutest little thing ever. That one is also a bath bomb. This one is Ghosty and it says a citrus lift to your spirits. Smells so good. Little cutie pie. This one is also a bath bomb. It smells really good. Very citrusy. Okay, what is this big boy? What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Oh, this is the UFO bath bomb. I got this one in last year as well, I think. And it is super cute because you get the little UFO and then you take off the little hat. And inside there's like pop rocks. It's so cool. I want to show you, but you can kind of see them in there. But yeah, so it's super cute. So this is a little UFO. And it says, beam up with a 3-in-1 citrus escape. So I think it's got I don't know. But yeah, I think you're meant to be able to use it 3 times or something. Oh my god, guys. The Christmas stuff is online and it's so cute and I'm gonna die. Anyway. So yeah, you can, so it's meant to be 3 different bath bombs. So there is, you can use the top separately, the base separately, and then the neon bath salt separately, or you can do it all together. So that's why it's called 3-in-1. But anyway, then, I've lost my piece of paper. No, it's okay, I found it. Next we have a bat art. Smells really nice. This one's blueberry. And this one is also just a bath bomb. It says descend into aura cleansing waters. Super cute. This is not Halloween, this is the Barbie. Yeah, that smells so good. Oh, yum. That smells really nice. But yeah, this is the Barbie bath bomb. I didn't buy the Barbie stuff when it first came out. So. Okay, I got the Toil and Trouble shower scrub, which I'm so excited about. Kate and I used this up earlier this year and we love it so much. It smells so good. And it just feels so nice. And it's got little jelly bats in it, which is super cute. They sent me a little sample of Volcano and it's a foot mask. Interesting. So that was nice. Lush are really good at always giving samples, so that's good. We have This one here is a bubble rune. Oh, and he smells really, really nice. He smells like something I've smelled before, but I don't know what it is. But this one is called Bubbles with Gourd Vibes. I think I've said that wrong. It smells so good though. Look how cute he is. He's a little pumpkin. He's very sweet. Love him. But yeah, so that one's a bubble bar. So you run that one under the water and it makes bubbles. Okay, we're getting down to the last couple of products. This is Bonehead. He's a new one, I think. I haven't seen him before. And he smells really nice. He's really minty. Yeah, it says that's one fresh skeleton. And he is also a bubble bar. So you break him under the water and he will create bubbles for you. So, I've got those. I haven't tried this before, so I'm really excited. This is called the Pumpkin Spice Melt. And basically you can either put it in like a wax burner, and use it like as a wax melt, or you can put it in the bath. Oh, that smells really good. So it's in the scent Pumpkin Spice. It smells really nice. And it just says nice and spicy. And capture the scent of the season with a warm pumpkin spiced latte lush melt for your bath or oil burner. Honestly smells really, really good. And you get 8 little pieces that you can break off. So yeah, super cute. But that one does smell really good. Okay, so we're down to the last couple of products here. So first things first, we have the Sparkly Pumpkin Shower Slime. And I used this one up earlier in the year. I took it to the Gold Coast with me and it was really nice. It smells good. And it's just cute little slimy thing. It's like the shower jellies, but it's a slime. So, and this one isn't in a shape because it's like, it's not, it's like a lot more like kind of runnier than the shower jelly kind of thing. So I got one of them. Then we got the Monster Octopus, and this one is a shower jelly, and I don't think I've tried this one before. Oh my god, look how gross it looks in there. Last year they had the tarantula. I think I still actually have it in my bathroom because I haven't used it yet. Because it's just, it's confronting. This one smells nice though. It's like berry. It says it's fruity, it's bubbly, and it's fun to wash with. Make it slide across the tub to start your own octopus dance-off. Let's take it out. Ugh. It's kind of weird looking. So there is there. It's very very Halloweeny because it makes me feel weird. That's cute. Very cute, very kind of also disgusting as well. So okay, I'm gonna need to run and quickly dry my hands. Okay, then I also got the Witch's Cauldron Fun, which is cute. So it comes with these cute little things on top. We have a little eyeball, and then we've got, I think that's meant to be a little lightning bolt, and also a little spiderweb. And then we have the fun in there, so that's cute. Smells so good. There are quite a few bath bombs that I didn't get. I've written a list of the ones that I didn't get because they were out of stock when I ordered, but I'm gonna get them soon, I reckon. So I'll probably include them in like the Christmas haul or whatever. Then we got the 2 lip scrubs, which I bought these I don't know, like a week or so before I ordered this stuff. We have candy corn, which smelled great. I got these ones in my like saving money at Lush video. And then we also have Wednesday's Child is Full of Woe, which also smells great. And then once again we just got the Barbie Dream Sugar Scrub, which smells so good. Yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. I'm so excited for Christmas and Halloween. I have ordered one of the Lush advent calendars. I'm really hoping to order the other one, so we're gonna have so many fun videos coming. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!